Hey guys, hope you are well. I am back with another comparison video, and this time let's talk about two fixed lens compact cameras, the Ricoh GR III and Fujifilm X100V. Both of these are compact and very capable cameras with unique features, which is what I really like about them. Unfortunately, they both are not cheap, so if you are like me and can't afford both, let me share with you how I made my decision and chose to buy one of these two cameras with peace of mind. Let's start with the Ricoh GR III. This is the true compact camera here. I would even go as far as call it a pocket camera, and this is its main selling point. You can take it anywhere, every time you are wearing something with a pocket that is big enough for a modern smartphone. The Ricoh GR III is smaller than most smartphones but is significantly thicker, so don't try to carry it in your skinny jeans pocket. It's got all manual controls that Ricoh users know so well and a very well implemented fixed touchscreen. If you want to know more about this camera or its predecessors, check out my other video dedicated to Ricoh cameras. I will put a link in the description below. With the Fujifilm X100V, we are still in the compact camera range, although it's larger than the Ricoh GR III, and its fixed lens protrudes from the camera body. This and the dials on top of the camera body will discourage you from carrying it anywhere else but in a generously sized coat pocket. That being said, it feels small in hand and is a very discreet, especially in the black version. The silver version is flashy and beautiful, so people will look at you thinking, he has a nice camera. More than, he's taking a photo of me. Thanks to its slightly larger size, the X100V offers you the option of shooting while using electronic viewfinder combined with a uniquely implemented optical viewfinder or with the tilting touchscreen. Again, more details in my other video that I will link below. Now, you may think that it's silly to compare these two cameras because they are so different. Even the lenses are of different focal length. And you may be right, but what they have in common is a great fixed prime lens, APS-C sensor, the ability to produce stunning images, and last but not least, built-in ND filter. They are also very popular cameras, and most of us would like to own both if possible. So, what are the criteria to choose the GR3 or the X100V? You can start asking yourself, what do I need? Or what do I want? Is it an optical viewfinder? Tilting touchscreen? Pocketable size? Or instead maybe ask yourself, what can you do without? The result then should be quite straightforward. But if you really can't live without an electronic viewfinder and don't mind the larger size of X100V, then the Fuji is the camera for you. The other two differences, tilting touchscreen and optical viewfinder, are kind of negligible because you can almost always work with and around the fixed screen on the GR3. And also, Ricoh does offer the option of mounting a simple optical viewfinder in the hot shoe mount. On the other hand, if you really need something super compact and pocketable, you will have to live with limitations of the Ricoh GR III. Another way of resolving this issue is to look at what you already have. Do you own any other camera? Possibly a camera body that can mount different lenses? If yes, then the answer will almost always be the Ricoh GR III. Because your system camera and lenses are most probably too big to be taken everywhere every time, and Ricoh is best in this discipline. It's as small as they get, packs a bunch of features, and produces great picture quality. The Ricoh GR III will be also most appreciated by experienced photographers who will enjoy the ability to have full control over the camera settings, which will give them quality results in those times when they are not carrying their big camera with a bunch of lenses. But if you are buying your first camera, then I can only repeat what I said in my video dedicated to the Fujifilm X100V. It's one of the best first real cameras you can buy these days. It has all the important controls outside on the camera body, and you can shoot into JPEG all the time, get great results that are immediately shareable with your friends and followers. The only reason I did not buy the X100V is that I already have another two Fujifilm cameras with a couple of lenses, and so the Ricoh GR III fits my needs much better. But regardless of whichever of these two cameras you choose, each one of them will do a great job in keeping you busy snapping photographs and making you happy with the results. So don't think about it too much. Don't overanalyze. Think about your priorities and get one or the other. You will not be disappointed either way. And I can only hope that my video helped you a little bit in your decision-making process. Have a nice day, and I will see you with the next one.